Alright, welcome to the Master Table, Master to the 101. Once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at. As you can see, today the market is kind of greenish. I was expecting that since yesterday was kind of red, so basically that's kind of good rebounds for those that didn't buy the dip. So it was a good opportunity for you to buy the dip today. So for now, the market is kind of fight back on what happened yesterday. So that's for you to buy back. I believe between now and tomorrow, the market gonna be green since on Friday is gonna be the report, the CPI report, and by that time the market gonna try to rebound. So that's for you a good opportunity to make money, and then you can, if you are bullish. But if you're bearish on the market right now, I will tell you definitely no, today is not gonna be your day because they're gonna have a lot of things going on for it to not to happen. As you can see, I was the other day on Monday about SQQ. I was betting to go to 44.9, but it didn't go there. It went all the way to 47. I was able to average down, but today I'm already made a trade today. I bought SPY, which is SP 500. And if you want to know my alert, you can join me on my Discord, which the link is down below. You can be part of the family where I send my alert, where you can be able to make money as well as I am. So that's what I do. So today I send my alert on the Discord. I have for option call. I bought the option call for $24. The 420 the option. Let me see. Go to option down over there, all the way down on the website. When you detach it from the app, and then I bought the one I bought was, let me zoom in for you if you can see. Well, unfortunately they don't let me zoom in. Did they? Let me see. No, unfortunately they don't let me zoom in. So the one I bought, it was you can change the number if you want to, 420 or 40 if you want 40 rows, so it's up to you. Let me see, they give me both. The one I bought was option call. Let me see, they give me call. Okay, this is call. All right, so I bought the June 8th. I'm not holding anything, unfortunately, because of the volatility. That's the reason, and I'm not holding. But after that, is a good opportunity for you to make money. It's a good opportunity. I think a lot of people are gonna come to short it at this point, since a lot of people trying to make money. But let's see if I was able to see it here. Okay, they don't give me the option to see it in here, but the one I bought for the one that has a $5-10, the one that has a $5-10, 520, and I bought for 24, and I was able to sell it for 45. So I make about 85% gain today, which is amazing because I catch up the one I didn't make yesterday. And today, right now, the stock I'm watching for tomorrow, definitely for tomorrow, which is a good thing for tomorrow, which is let me see, is Casco. I'm watching Casco closely because Casco is one crazy is a silent killer. Okay, I think my let me see. Okay, Casco. Hold on. All right. Let me type COST. For those that don't know Casco, I think. Okay, hold on. Okay, there we go. Casco, so basically Casco is one silent killer, so basically it can go high or it can drop very low. As you can see, this today it was above 458 today, and then go all the way to 473. As you can see, I got the line over there. That's mean the if it's go break below that option is gonna be bearish, but if it's still above that, it's gonna be bullish. As you can see, that is still above the MA 5, which is the MA 5. How much is that? Which is 471. So basically it's below that right now, but it still look green. So at any moment it can bounce back. The reason I bought it because the other day I missed the chance when it went from 470 to all the way to 485. So today I just try to buy it early so I can make a profit out of it. So I believe right now it's just people selling. That's why you see the market going from 473 to all the way to 468. I think a lot of people are selling because they're making profit. I don't blame them because profit is profit at this point, so I don't blame them. So which is one of me as well, because I was able to make profit as well now, and I sold it too. So no hard no foul. So congrats for whoever made that money. Costco is very cheap, and so the one you can buy, the one I bought right now, it is the one that has a 510, where is at when I bought it, it was on at $19. Right now it's at $13. Or actually it's not 13 right now, it's at $16. So once you go back to 473, I'm about to be green, so you can always join in for that option call if you want to be part of that making money. SQQ, unfortunately SQQ, I'm not gonna trade SQQ today because I know SQQ gonna go down, so I'm not gonna do anything for SQQ. So this is the stock I'm watching. And Bitcoin, let's see what Bitcoin are doing today. Bitcoin, as you can see, Bitcoin is a little bit down. It went it almost 30k. So as you can see, it's moving up and down on the 29k. This is the line I set up for as you can see, I set up a lot of line for Bitcoin because Bitcoin is and the line fit perfectly. As you can tell, you see how they go down perfectly down the line for option put, and then when cross like that, and I was like, it's gonna be bearish, and then boom, it dropped. And I put another line for it to go. If you go below that line, it's gonna be bearish. As you can tell, it's still not haven't touched it until the other day, and then it touched. When it touched that line, boom, the other day, and see, now is the time to load up. So for 28k, so you can go ahead and load, and for it to go even higher. So basically that's a good setup you can always do for you to protect your portfolio and protect your account. I don't blame any people that do that, but you always can do that. So another stock, yesterday I mentioned the stock, if you're watching, ANTNM, oh sorry, ANTM. Remember yesterday I mentioned that for you guys to short it. I told you guys, if you go to 500, if you watch my video yesterday, I know it didn't have any sound, but I told guys yesterday for you can short it. As you can see, it was from 498, right now it's 495. Those are option put if you watch my live stream yesterday. And the stock I was watching yesterday, I think is I think, let me see, it was MDP, I think. So DOL, I believe DOL. Those stock I was watching yesterday. So if you didn't get a chance to buy right now, it's kind of too late to short it. Yesterday I was believing those stock gonna go down, but whoever watch it, congratulations. But whoever doesn't watch it, next time you have an opportunity, please watch my video and then subscribe. And if you have any comment, leave it down below. I'll be gladly to appreciate it. The other stock I was watching yesterday for option put, I was telling is MPC. MPC is a Marathon Peak Corporation. So basically this is the option put I was mentioning yesterday. I know you didn't hear anything, but the thing is, since it was all-time high, I say it was, if it was above 110 if it was above, sorry about that, was above 110, so is the time to start to short. But unfortunately it doesn't go to 110, it went to 111. So basically I'm still watching it, but it can drop anytime soon, so you can put in a portfolio for it to drop, to short it around another stock I was trying to short, which is VLO. I was putting my portfolio for it to short VLO. I said the highest is gonna get is 140, and as you can see, it goes for 142. Yesterday was at it closed at 138. I usually say there's a 8.5 rule. For example, if when the stock go to 118.5, it's gonna go to 120. When it start go to 138.5, it's gonna go to 140. As you can see, VLO, it went from 140 on the daily graph, is above, is breaking a lot of resistance. 142. If it's go to 145, that's when you can buy the stock to short. Another stock I'm watching to short was APG, which is AirProd. And the stock I was trying to start short yesterday was at 257, and I was saying the highest it can go to is what, 250, 260. And then as you can see, the other day was at 312, and now you can see right now they have the 250 line where it break. Yesterday it was all the way to 257. You're trying to fight to go to 260, but unfortunately they don't let it go to 260. But it is okay to watch it, so you can always put that in portfolio for it, because they already reached the high. So that's what the stock I was watching yesterday. If for those that didn't watch and didn't pay attention to, unfortunately I couldn't put the sound for some reason, the sound was off. And today, give me one in the chat room if you're able to hear me, if you're able to hear me clearly. So okay, so somebody was able to hear me, so that's good. I'm happy somebody's able to hear me clear. So basically that's a good thing. So if you guys have any question or other stuff you want me to watch, guys, please feel free to let me know, because I'll be gladly to go over it. And also trade safe, guys. Be careful, and also remember to put your stop loss. Again, Casco, that's one of the major stock guys gonna go crazy today. Casco doesn't go with SP 500 or any other stock. For once, this is a stock that actually go on its own, so I'm actually love it because it doesn't go to either. So but most of the time when the market is green, it go crazy, like crazy. For example, the other day was from 470 to all the way to 485. But when the market is red, is drop crazy also. You can go from 600 to all the way to 490 or 470. So that's it, and that's a downfall for it. So today I think they're gonna have a meeting with Yellen today and Yellen. So I don't know how the meeting gonna go. I'm not watching it, unfortunately, since I don't really unless there's some major event, but usually when Yellen speak, unless there's a conference, they put it live. Otherwise I'm not doing that. But when Powell speak, is very important, because Powell is a director, so I'm always curious to watch it live, or so I can know when time to buy, when time to sell. Because remember, when Powell speak, is a fear, and then that's where before the meeting you can see the market drop, and after the meeting you can see the market go crazy. So Casco is dropping eventually. I think it's a consolidation. If you go to the 10 minutes, as you can see, it went from 460, it's close. Oh, that's, I didn't look at it yesterday like that. I didn't look at this morning like that. As you can see, it didn't break that line yesterday when it closed above 470. So if you move 70, the next highest peak is 175. After that is gonna be 181. So Right now, I think this consolidation is gonna go back to 470. I think a lot of people is trying to buy back. As you can see, the RSI is cool off, and then you can see the RSI is trying to move a little bit higher, and the RSI is still on the 40s. I find out suspicious. Like for example, when the RSI is of between 40 to 60, if you see is moving uptrend, so basically the market's gonna go green, that's your intake, that's a signal for you to buy and then to hold. But if you see between those time and the RSI going down, that's your sign for you to sell. It is going down. So that's your intake. You should always pay attention to. So if you want to trade safe and then make money. And then another stock I was supposed to watch also is SP 500. As I saw you this morning, I make profit on SP 500. I bought it when it was at 411, yeah, 411, and I ended up selling it when when it was at 413, and I bought it at $24 a share, and I sold for $43 a share. It went all the way to 45 actually. I mean to 47 actually, but I'm glad I said at 43. Gain is gain, profit is profit, and don't be mad at anyone that tell you is not good to make profit. You sell too early, but according to the graph I'm using and then the data I'm using, usually my profit is between 20% to 100 plus percent on my day trade. So basically, is highly recommended. And then if you want to be part of it, again my link is on below on the Discord. You can be part of it, and then you can be joining. I will be gladly appreciate that. And then please guys, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up so I'll be so more people can watch it, and then I keep on track on what's going on. And also as well, you guys supposed to pay attention also as before CPI on Friday. Usually before CPI, the inflation rate goes skyrocketing, so we don't know how bad it's gonna get. Some people say right now it's 8.3, but according to what they said, the math we do, I think the inflation is 13% or 17% between those times. So we don't know how high it's gonna get by Friday. So between tomorrow, Wednesday, between Thursday, it's gonna be a lot of volatility Thursday. So if you trade Thursday, be careful because your theta gonna be in effect, and it's gonna be crazy on your theta, and I don't think you're gonna be able to stand because they're gonna go after your theta to destroy your theta. So be careful when you're buying tomorrow on Thursday. So because your theta is gonna be go crazy on your theta unfortunately. And also what I was trying to say also, on Wednesday tomorrow, usually Wednesday the market is going on Wednesday, but before 12 o'clock. So if you buy anything now before 12 tomorrow, is probably go bearish. So basically that's something I realize between the week on Wednesday afternoon, except when there's a Fed meeting. When there's a Fed meeting, after the Fed meeting, this is when everything going crazy. So I believe that's consolidation right now, since SP 500 went from 407, as you can see, 407, and then now it's 412. I think that's consolidation, so that's a good thing. Your consolidation is very nice to have consolidation, because consolidation is a time where algorithm is in effect. As you can tell, for the past few days, when it's consolidated, it got a new high or even the same. But as you can see, just drop. I don't like those red candle when you drop fast like that. That means a big drop, but it's a nice W over there. That's why the pump. And now we don't know if it's gonna go a nice W as well. As you can see, is moving, trying to fight it. I think if it's go to 411, that's where we know it's bad. But if it stay above 412 and then go even higher, so we know for a fact it's gonna be a bullish move. It's gonna be a bullish market. Let's see. Let's keep watching Costco. COST. I don't usually took a lot of stock. I don't trade a lot of stock. I only pick two or three stock to watch. So basically, to for me to put up my portfolio. As you can see, Costco is going down to 466. That's a lot of dip. So I'm not I'm scared of it because what happened is I'm still bullish on it. I'm still bullish on it. Every time it's deep, that's your opportunity again to buy average. To buy when it's drop like that, it's your opportunity to average. That's what I love about the stock market. So there's always opportunity for you to or to average, and then to make money. But I believe before the market close today, it's gonna go above 470. So we're gonna see how low or high it's gonna get today. But again, I already make 80% of my portfolio. So and also I have some fund available just in case I need to trade. So like I told you earlier, guys, throughout the week, if you have $1,000, you can invest 100. If you have 2,000, you can invest 200 to protect your portfolio. If the market go down, you can always average, and then you can always protect your portfolio, and then you don't have to lose a lot of money, because if you lose all your money, you're gonna have a lot of spending to do, especially if that money was specifically reserved or for you to pay the bill. So basically, that's the thing. As you can see, the lowest it gets so far is a 456 and a 466, so that's a good entry for me. I'm waiting. If we go below 460 again, I'm gonna buy another one. I'm gonna buy average 460. If we go to 460, so I can sell tomorrow morning for a maximum gain. So basically, if you go again to 472 tomorrow, and I believe a lot of people are buying today on this one. So basically, so they don't want miss the opportunity that they missed last week, which happened. A lot of people was frustrating because they missed that opportunity. And right now is 11:25 Eastern time, and then so basically usually after 12 is the lunch. So a lot of people going to lunch around 12 o'clock. I think that's the reason because a lot of people are trying to sell before lunch, because they're trying to make money before lunch, so they can always make profit before lunch, so they're not taking any chances. I don't blame them for that, because profit is profit. But for myself, I usually, if you're being very protective, you can buy it between lunch. If you're doing a day trade, I usually do my day trade between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So yesterday I bought my day trade. I don't have the day trade yesterday. I like I said, I do day trade Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But yesterday I was able to make money yesterday on holding, but unfortunately I lose some of them because I didn't use my day trade. But the good thing is I only use 10% of my portfolio, so it not really affect me. But today, since I have a day trade, I use all my portfolio. So when I do day trade, I use all my portfolio. When I don't do day trade, I use 10% of my portfolio. So that's the reason you see differently my gain. That's why it's not gonna affect me if I'm holding and then the market drop. It's not gonna affect me that much because I only use 10%. And guys, that was my video for today. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, share it as it's new, and then subscribe in order to see my video daily. And this was Master Table, Master 101. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.